being here. This is his first time at Cane's. We're ordering. How is it?
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Chick-fil-A, we have its own separate scale because it's like kind of a different type of chicken. This chicken, I would say classifies as like the Popeyes type of chicken. This chicken better than Popeyes. This compared to Chick-fil-A, completely different type of flavor if you're going for something completely different, you know what I'm saying? And this chicken compared to Dave's chicken got beat, bro. Gotta say. That spicy chicken's some fire.
Oh, that's sick. Let's get that.
Hey, nice ride, bro.
It looks good, man. Oh, the Lamborghini Aventador? Oh, it's an SVJ.
Porsche. My mom's got one of those.
We gotta talk to the people, apparently.
Yeah, bro. You should just miss out on my mom's Porsche.
The fuck boys are out. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fuckboy crew. Wait for her car. Alright, for sure.
Are you waiting for the McLaren? Alright, so we're headed back to Rodeo. We want to go get the car. We're parked in the neighborhood, so we just got the car. We're going back to go park. We're just gonna go park in front of the stores. Make it easier. Yo!
You out here looking for cars, bro?
Yeah. Ready to go!
Oh, come on!
Yeah, let's go!
These nuts.
Oh, yeah, I know who he is. That is what we are here for. Yes, I love it.